What's going on? Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, it's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. What are we making today? How about a breakfast lasagna? That's right. Come along. You can make your own pancake mix, or you can get store-bought. Using store-bought today. I will be having a video making my own pancake batter soon. Okay, 2 cups of pancake mix, and then 1.5 cups of liquid. Using coffee creamer for 1 cup. Finish that off. And this is buttered brown in there. Just like that. Spray said pan. Now this is going to seem weird. Into our unsaid pan. And then I'm just going to ease it all the way around. This isn't cake batter. I was about to lick my spoon. It's not cake batter. And you shouldn't do that anyways, because there's raw eggs in it. Cinnamon. Cinnamon. And syrup. Kind of like a McGriddle. Into your oven at 350. I'm going to throw a little bit of remainder of tater tots I do have in my air fryer. Get your sausages down on there. I'm using 6 of the patties of the Swaggerty. Go ahead, pull it. Good job. Add a little bit of mayonnaise.
Yep, mayonnaise.
Add the cheese.
Yep, that's cheese.
That should be good. And use this spoon to like just whisk it around for a while, okay? You keep whisking it.
All the eggs by myself.
We're gonna add a little bit of milk. Alright, so the eggs are cracked and scrambled thanks to Axel. My sausage, I'm getting it cooked down. A little bit of butter, not too much. And then we're gonna do flour. I'm gonna cut down the temperature a little bit. I'm gonna do a cup. You want milk? A little bit of that papa. I'm gonna incorporate my eggs. All right, take that off the heat. I measured with the pan for the pancakes, and they kind of fell apart a little bit. It's like that. Some syrup. Yeah, I spill it too. My mixture. Now, those tater tots that we almost forgot about, I'm going to crush them. Kind of lay them out like that. Next layer. Just like that. Some syrup. Eggs. Sausage. Some McGriddle lasagna. Hashbrowns. Pancake. Syrup. Bam. But that's not that impressive. We want to look at the inside of said lasagna. You can add cheese up here if you want. Your spatula. Oh. Breakfast lasagna, y'all. And for the kids, add a little bit of that powdered sugar. All right, y'all. This here is fantastic. It's different. It's a breakfast lasagna. It's like a McGriddle almost, but in lasagna form. I don't know. I figured spur of the whim. Why not try it? Y'all try it. If you like it, let me know. The kids are liking it. They're going to Chowtown right now. I've clearly gone to Chowtown. Drop a comment below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one.